Trello is a popular project management tool, but is it the right choice for your accounting needs? If you're considering it as part of your software stack, here are 12 things you should know before buying, especially when compared to its competitors. First, Trello's interface is simple and easy to use, making it great for beginners. You can easily create boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks. However, this simplicity can be a double-edged sword. While it's easy to set up, you might find it lacks the complexity needed for more advanced project tracking, which software like Asana or Monday.com handles much better. Next thing, Trello's flexibility is both a blessing and a curse. It allows you to create workflows that fit your exact needs, but this can also make it harder to figure out the best way to organize your accounting projects. Competitors like ClickUp offer more structured templates for accounting teams, which can save you time. The third thing, Trello's automation features are useful, but they're somewhat limited compared to the competition. You can set up basic automation to move cards, assign tasks, and send notifications, but if you're looking for more advanced features like time tracking or project dependencies, Trello might fall short. This is where tools like Wrike or Zoho projects really shine. The fourth thing to consider is Trello's integration options. It integrates well with a range of tools, from Google Drive to Slack. However, when compared to something like Monday.com, it offers fewer native integrations for accounting-specific tools. So, if you're heavily using accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, you might find that it's not as seamless as you'd like. Next up, pricing. Trello offers a free version with basic features, but its premium options can get pricey, especially if you're adding multiple team members. Competitors like Asana or TeamGant offer more competitive pricing with a wider range of features in their lower tier plans, making them potentially better options for businesses on a budget. Now, the sixth thing to know is that Trello can become chaotic for larger teams. If you have a large accounting department with complex workflows, you may find the boards get overcrowded and hard to navigate. Alternatives like ClickUp provide better scaling options for larger teams with more organized structures. The seventh thing, Trello's mobile app is functional, but not as robust as other tools. If you need to manage accounting projects on the go, other options like Monday.com or Zoho projects might give you a better mobile experience with more features available at your fingertips. The eighth thing to keep in mind is Trello's lack of built-in accounting features. Unlike some tools designed specifically for project management in accounting, Trello doesn't come with financial tracking, invoicing, or detailed reporting. For these features, you'll need third-party integrations, which can be a hassle. Tools like FreshBooks or QuickBooks are designed specifically for accounting, so you may want to use them in combination with Trello or look at something like Zoho Books for an all-in-one solution. Next thing is collaboration. Trello is fantastic for team collaboration, letting you comment on cards, assign tasks, and set due dates. But when compared to something like Wrike, it doesn't offer the same level of communication tools, especially for larger teams working on complex accounting projects. The 10th thing, Trello's customer support is decent, but again, it's not as robust as its competitors. For instance, Asana offers more personalized support and has a wider range of help resources, which could be crucial when you need quick assistance while managing accounting tasks. The 11th thing, Trello has a strong community of users and resources, which can help you learn how to maximize the tool. However, it can take some time to figure out how to integrate it into your accounting workflow effectively. You'll likely need to rely on external tutorials and guides. Competitors like Monday.com have built-in resources that cater more directly to the needs of accounting teams. And the 12th thing is its security. Trello offers basic security features, but if you're dealing with sensitive financial information, you may find the level of protection lacking compared to competitors. Software like Zoho projects and Wrike offer better enterprise-grade security, which may be necessary for accounting firms or larger businesses. In conclusion, Trello can be a good project management tool for accounting, especially for smaller teams or simpler projects. But if you're looking for something that offers more robust accounting features, better security, and more advanced project tracking, there are definitely better options out there. If you want a tool that